All right, so I'm there with Reggae Sumfest 2019. So you just come off of the stage. How was that?
Man, it was awesome. Thrilling experience, thrilling excitement, you know.
Wow.
Set was 100.
Why was it so thrilling? Because
What do
your
you mean?
outfit looked
No,
really
me and my
terrific
dancers,
and
them
everything.
hot. Wow.
Oh, okay.
Duttyberry.
Wait, who are your dancers? They're around
Right,
here?
so they need to call them over. Kimika versus
Kimiko, come over here and show your body quick and fast. Quick and fast, man, come. So on the stage a while ago, what going on a while ago? What kind of dance? Let me see a little something. What going? What going?
What you want?
Want a little something like...
a man like you, if you come revolt me,
Oh, Jesus, wait, hold on. Jesus Christ. Hold on. Let me something. Oh, Jesus
Baby, me
Christ.
want ride on it.
You took my virginity a while ago. You took my
I lie, you tell.
Why did you enjoy the performance just now? Was it the reaction from the stage? Was it because of a lot of preparation you put into it?
Yes, it was a whole lot of preparation put into it, and then we're all professionals here. The little time that we got, we made sure to just deliver.
All right, so dancers, is she easy to work with?
Very easy and fun.
The easiest person I've ever worked with.
Yeah.
All right, so let me know what you have coming up now and what you want people of Jamaica to
I have
know.
a new song coming up, Pat It Up, and everything is going to come out soon. Just look out for it.
All right, peace out. That's it with...
Tell me want a man like you, fi come revolt me,